Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, here we go. So in this one, we've got the function f of x is 1 over x plus 4. And once again, it wants us to find that difference quotient, which is f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x. So let's go to it. So this guy here, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Try to color code my stuff. Here we go. So this guy, we're just going to replace x in this with x plus delta x. And if I do that, it gives me 1 over x plus delta x plus 4, right? So then I've got minus, this guy's just f of x. So 1 over x plus 4. And then I need to divide the whole thing by delta x. Bless you, Sally. Sorry, my daughter's behind me reading, and she sneezed. All right, so there we go, over delta x. All right, so now what I got to do is I got to simplify this, right? So you've got two fractions that are being subtracted. In general, the expectation is that you're going to simplify that. Find your common denominator. All right, so here I think the common denominator is just going to be this guy times this guy. So what I'm going to do is, for the orange guy, I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 4. And then for the purple guy, I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus, oops, I wanted that to be orange. Why? I don't know. X plus delta x plus 4 on the bottom, and x plus delta x plus 4 on the top. So what do we get? Well, on the bottom, we've still got, on the bottom, we've still got the delta x. On the top, we've got another fraction. So the bottom of the fraction is just going to be this, right? So I've got x plus 4 times x plus delta x plus 4. And then up here, I've got x plus 4 minus x plus delta x plus 4. I'm going to do that. So x plus 4 minus x plus delta x plus 4. And so just to be clear, there's a big division bar there. So it's all of this over that. Okay, so once you distribute these negative signs, everything on the top cancels except for a negative delta x, right? This cancels this cancels this, and we're just left with negative delta x. But then notice this green delta x cancels this blue delta x, so now I'm just left with negative 1 on the top. So my final answer is negative 1 over x plus 4 times x plus delta x plus 4. All right, and that's your final answer. The answer that was given in the book is basically the same thing. But they kind of multiplied stuff out and then factored out a delta x at the end. So let's do that real quick. So let's multiply all of this out. So I'm going to go this, and this are going to give me x squared plus x delta x plus 16. No, sorry. 4x, sorry. And then here we're going to go this, and this is going to give me plus another 4x plus 4 delta x plus 16. So let's simplify that. This is all the bottom of the fraction that I'm simplifying right now. So let's group everything that doesn't have a delta x. And again, I'm not entirely, okay. So let's see. So everything that doesn't have a delta x. So I'm going to have x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus, and then what I've got is x delta x plus 4 delta x. And then what they did is they factored out the delta x from that last bit. So we get x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus delta x times x plus 4 or 4 plus x. I can't remember which way they wrote it. All right. So there's that. And then the whole thing, oops. And then the whole thing was under -1. So there's your final answer that they gave in the book.